Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here in Uncle Bruce Coffee Shop located at Padre Ramon Street, Dipolog City. So now I want to taste their coffee here. For today, I want to order caramel macchiato coffee. So let's go inside. Good afternoon, ma'am. I want to order one caramel macchiato coffee, please. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Here's my payment. So this time, I'm waiting for my order. Caramel macchiato, sir. So this is my caramel macchiato. Caramel macchiato coffee is one of the best coffee in the world. It makes you feel satisfied with its creamy-licious tastes, at the same time affordable to the customer. It was my first time to sip a macchiato coffee, hence I am used to have those instant coffee that can be bought per sachet. While sipping it, I realized it wasn't just the macchiato coffee that makes it enjoyable. It's the experience and the ambience of place. It makes me feel special, like you're enjoying something truly extraordinary. It's like a little bit of magic in a mug, turning an ordinary morning into something extraordinary. It's the kind of coffee that makes you believe in the power of simple pleasures and that makes you feel grateful in every sip.